Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can pick offer on Clickbank without worry that you will have any kind of trouble. Can you sell it or cannot sell it? But in this video I won't talk with you about traffic. I will in this video talk with you about picking the right offer for your affiliate website or any other source of traffic what you have. So for this purpose we will use some website very well known called Clickbank, and Clickbank is, I think, one of the largest affiliate network websites, and it's super easy actually to be part of these websites. You will simply go to clickbank.com, and once when you see this website you will press sign up. Here you have one simple form what you need to fill. I think it's available worldwide to every country on planet, but there is no guarantee once when you fill all this necessary info required for registration that you will be actually approved, because I have several people who tell me after they pass this registration, and the registration is very simple. You go here and fill country, pick your country, put your first name, put your last name, put your phone number, email address and your password, confirm, and you go to second step. And second step is to giving websites additional info about where you're going to promote your products and your bank account info. And that means in the moment when you're going to receive payment, and payment from Clickbank is always check, you need to have compatible bank, which is bank which can accept and actually pay amount what you get from Clickbank in check. And this can cause some kind of troubles for some banks or countries or anything in this kind of process, but I'm pretty sure that very big amount of my audience is smart, and in case you fail here you will be able to find some alternative way how to register on Clickbank. But point is, it's very easy to make this step how to register. Once when you are a member, you will simply go here and you will log in, and for this purpose I will use brand new blank account without any revenue, no income, nothing, because I want to show you what's procedure and how you're going to pick offers. So you will see here in top menu there is something called marketplace. I'm not sure if it's visible well, but it's right here. So this marketplace, this is link what we are going to click, and once when we click it we will get all available offers on Clickbank in this category menu. So depending in which niche you making your blog or you target your audience, you will go here category by category and you will pick which offer suits you the best. For example, if you work with health and fitness, or let's say you work with self-help, you have several different subcategories: abusing, dating guides, eating disorders, general, marriage, relationship, motivation, transformational, personal finance, that I don't read everything what you can see here. So this is all subcategories from this main category, which is self-help. So if you have blog or you work in this kind of niche, you can find in category self-help many other subcategories what you want to promote and earn. But no matter which category you use and you plan to promote product from that category, actually procedure is more or less the same. Let's say you will go to, I don't know, let's say marriage and relationships, or no, let's find something else. Let's find, for example, spiritual, new age and alternative beliefs. And we open this one where you have some of very popular offers what you can find. Something like astrology, hypnosis, magic, numerology, paranormal, physics, religion, tarot, and witchcraft. For this purpose, I will use something what's called, for example, astrology. So I will click on astrology, and here you will have many different offers which belongs in this category, actually this subcategory, astrology. And now you need to pick which offer will convert the best for you. You have several things here describing, when you see use offer here, some basic which describe this offer, and you have affiliate page here. When you go on affiliate page, you will get all necessary info about promoting this offer. Usually you will get email swipes, you will get some okay, here you don't have it. You will get some banner or things like that. Let's see your astrology language. Maybe this one have something a little bit better for affiliates. This one is page not found. Call of Destiny. Let's see this one. Okay, this is for affiliates, something what you really need if you are serious in this business. So you have something what's called demographics. So you see here, you see how they make it. Lazy to do it. Then you have some infographics about sources from where traffic came. Then you have articles if you want for your emails or your blog or something like that. And you have something what it's banners, which you can put also on your website. You simply download them down and use it for that purpose. But point is here is not, and one more thing you have for your email marketing, for automation emails, you have here subject line and some offered subject and some body text for your email for all subscribers, where you can send them on daily basis some different emails and try to make some conversion. But point here, how to pick the right way, how to pick a good offer is something where people tell you pick by gravity. Gravity means higher number, better number, because you see here, that means that at this moment, in the last 14 days, this is average amount of people who sell this offer and make sales. But when you make something what it's called picking offer, you need to put accent on something what should make you engaged to even start to promote it. First, you need to see what's some profit you get. For example, this your astrology language, see here, say average conversion is $15. Recurring, so that means rebill, every month you can get same amount, 15.92. Gravity is almost 40, what is great. And initial sales is the same amount like rebill. So that means if you sell something like this to some user, initially you will get $15 and each next month you will get almost $16 regularly, as long as this user is your user. So I always prefer, when I promote something, to choose offers which have rebill, recurring offers, because not every offer have something like this, because some of them, see this one, Astro Triggers, here you just sell it, you get some profit from sales, but there is nothing more what you can get from this. Or another one, Astrology TV, you sell it, you get some initial sales $17, but recurring or rebill monthly it's only $4. So this is things what you should be careful when you pick offer. But also, if some offer have low gravity, that means that people at this moment does not sell this offer well. But it doesn't mean they try to sell it, but they cannot sell it. Maybe it's not interesting at this moment, because many things what you can find here are, some are evergreen, but some are very seasonal. So when it's the beginning of the year, people usually want to read something what it's called yearly tarot or yearly zodiac or something like this. So when you search something like this, of course, at this moment, gravity will be high because there is very, very high need for things like this. But after 2-3 months, gravity will go down. So you will always if you want to search for something, for me, go to marketplace, and you simply in this put nothing. In product, in search, put nothing, and then here you can scale gravity 25 to, let's say, you don't even put up limit, and you can here set your average conversion, initial conversion, or rebill. So if you want rebill from $20 to $200, this is filter where you're going to search some offers, and this is something what make you interested. And now here you will simply go and search offers one by one, and you will check when you compare here in this line category, is this something what match what you are doing. I know this is not conventional method how to pick offers, and it's not actually something what it's called regular way, but this is shortcut. But also you have something what it's called CB engine. This is free application which you can use in same purpose. So when you go to CB engine, you can go on CB top gravity product. The same thing what I showed you just now. So you can simply filter offers by gravity. You see custom keto diet is at this moment is top selling offer. Initial sale is $25 and gravity is $487. Understand? So this is something what's really amazing at this moment and what's selling like crazy. So here you have some products, how you can filter what you want to sell, and this is your option how you can choose this offer. So first is manual way, second is use application which can help you how to sell it. Also you can filter here by category. So for example, if you go to, let's say, health and fitness, subcategory any, ranked in any ranking, all keywords, and let's say that we want, for example, we want rank by anything. And here you can search also which commission you want. So for example, you want commission not less than 50%. And you can also filter here to search only recurring offers. So when you put yes, this is something, this setup what I put you here, for example, for health and fitness niche, is something what it's a procedure exactly how I'm going to search for it. So you will press search and you will get results here. So you see that research Godzilla of offers is something what with initial sales give you $110 with 75% of commission. This is something what you need to know. If you need more info, you simply press on this button and you will get everything what you need to know, what you want to read, and you will see here everything. For example, rebill, how much is it monthly, what's initial sale, what's average sale, and what's percent of average sale. So this is something where you can get some more information about this product. Then you have yoga burn and so on, so on. This is something what's related with health and fitness. So I think that you have several options how you can find good product, and just following this guidelines, what you're looking for, offer what's convert best, and recurring option for you to receive amount from each sell offer every month some percent, is the way and the goal what you want to reach in this way, how you want to sell Clickbank products. So guys, if you have any problem, any question, feel free to ask me question below this video, and see you next video.